Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Apache Airflow Web UI, monitor workflow DAGs step by step clearly. To access the Apache Airflow Web UI, start by ensuring that your Airflow server is running. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for your Airflow instance. Typically, this is http://localhost 8080 if you are running it locally. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the Login section. You may be prompted for a username and password. Enter your credentials in the respective fields. The default username is often admin, and the default password is also admin. If you have changed these defaults, use your updated credentials. After entering your details, click the Login button. Once logged in, you will arrive at the Airflow dashboard. Here, you can monitor and manage your workflow DAGs. To view the list of your workflows, look for the DAGs tab on the left side. Click on it to display all available DAGs. From this interface, you can trigger, pause, or view the details of each DAG. To inspect a specific DAG, simply click its name. You'll be taken to a detailed view, where you can analyze task status and logs. This overview allows you to efficiently monitor your workflows. Now you are ready to start managing your workflow with Apache Airflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.